Hey guys, today I'm an unboxing of a kendama I got from Kendamical. So, yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it. Alright, got Kendamical sticker. Another one. Got Skittles, Starburst, Twizzlers, and Laffy Taffy. Sour Punch. Alright, now Kendama. I ordered a Sour Mash Cherry, I think it's called. I put it on a bamboo can. It's really sticky. The spike is actually pretty short on it, so it's kind of weird. Yeah. Oh, it has a bamboo ball too. It's cool. Right. Have an extra string too, and yeah.